water park today. Great Wolf Lodge. We'll see you in a bit, but first, thinking about getting a little GoPro. Yeah, gonna go inside. We're at Best Buy in Schaumburg. Thinking I might go for the 9. Might be grabbing one of these. Max Grip tripod. We're gonna give this guy a shot. The newest one, right?
Yeah, and it's gonna have all the updated motion technology they put in there.
Awesome. Cool. Just got myself the brand new Hero 9 Black. Late to the game, so this is my first one. I'm gonna put this GoPro to the test. First time user, take it easy on me on the footage. Just gonna mess around with it, do a couple test shots. So looking forward to some action footage this time around. Definitely watch all the water park videos I've been posting. Mount Olympus, Kalahari, Timber Ridge Lodge. Today I'm really excited for the Great Wolf Lodge. It finally opened up, we got a great deal. So we'll see you guys out there.
Starting route to Great Wolf Lodge. Proceed to East Gulf Road.
All right, supposedly you can start swimming at 1. Gonna give you guys as much information as possible. Gonna show you guys around. We're only there for 1 day, so as much as we can. All right, let's get started. Can I have a large hazelnut iced coffee?
Right there, please.
Six Flags is closed right now, but when it opens, I can take you, mijo. All right, Grand Avenue. After lunch, we'll get there at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock to the next day, 8 a.m. Yeah, we really won't be there for too long.
Turn left onto North Dilly's Road.
All right, what kind of restaurants are what kind of restaurants are around here? KFC, we got Long John Silver, Starbucks, we got McDonald's. Ooh, there's an Olive Garden right there. Oberweis. Ooh, they have a Golden Corral. Golden Corral, here we go. Man, we just pull in like SWAT. Boom. We just saw it. We're back, indoor dining. So we finally made it to Gurnee and we're hungry. Instead of going for a swim, we're gonna go straight for the buffet. Boy, if you don't. Typical of me, right? Alvarado Family Ventures. We're gonna eat. Here we go.
Big gloves fit on me.
Oh, those are huge gloves. Golden Corral. Quick unboxing of this GoPro Hero 9. Wow. Spring loaded right inside. We got the battery. All right, GoPro. Probably gonna do a quick unboxing of this little tripod. And that's how it works. Real close. Nice, and open it. There you go. So that's our room. So as far as my check-in experience, these are your room keys. They do have a mobile app. You can see all the things that they're taking place today. And then you have a choice of activating your credit card that you checked in. So if you want to purchase things, everything is linked through your credit card with this wristband. If you choose to, you can totally take that off. So that's one thing I like. The app showing you all the activities throughout the day. Because of COVID, you want to make sure you reserve a few things. Some things you do have to reserve. There's this little dance party that the kids do. Checked in around 3:30. Our room was ready, so we got in, and now we're gonna go check out the water park. Let's have some fun. Nice.
Can I look?
Yeah.
Look.
Whoa, look at your balancing. Look guys, there's so much stuff here. Babe, this place is full of stuff. They got an adventure park. They have mini golfing, bowling. They have, look guys, this place has so much stuff. Look guys, who taught you how to balance?
Myself.
Look guys, what has daddy taught you?
Clean my butt.
Clean your butt, that's right.
Hey, that's all right. Look guys, you ready for the water park? Okay, so you can't go on the big slide, Miko. 2 more inches. Breakfast tomorrow. Some food at the Barwood. Spicy shrimp pasta and the wings. Sweet, man. Thank you. This is the roasted half chicken, $17. And for 14 bucks, you get this deliciousness right here. This is where it's at, guys. end it with the GoPro footage. We are out of here. That's it from this place. We had so much fun, but it's time to go home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, this is Alvarado Family Adventures. We'll see you guys on the next one.